Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me today. I am super excited, not only because it's April 10th and I've already received both of my items, but I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. So normally when I receive my BoxyCharms, I'm very impatient and I take a little peek at what I receive before I film, because sometimes it's a week or two before I ever get to film the video. So I always kind of already know what I'm getting. Sometimes I forget by the time I film it, but this time I literally got them today, like an hour ago. So this is going to be completely fresh surprise for me as well. But I'm super excited. So I have the base box here, which is very heavy, and then I have my premium box as well. So before we get started, if you love all things makeup, beauty, and fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, we are going to jump right into this unboxing. Here is the base box that we're going to be starting with. So the theme for the month of April is sweet treats. And here is the little card. It's a little bent, but this is the little card that came with it. I'm so excited. So the first thing I have here is Unicorn Dust Trend Beauty. I don't know what that is, but this is what the packaging looks like. I have not heard of any of this. Let's see. I'm thinking maybe a highlighter or something along those lines. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So I have a very pretty highlighter set here in the shades Fantasy, Mystical, and Dreamer. And that is what they look like. It does also have a little mirror on here. This is super cute. And then it does say in the back, cruelty free, which is awesome. But let's see what it says here on the card. So this is the Trend Beauty Unicorn Dust. Get the magical unicorn glow with a trio highlighter palette that features 3 shades of unicorn magic. These shimmering powders will add the perfect sparkle to your face. MSRP of $12.50. So super cute. I am not a huge highlight type person. I don't wear it often, and I do have plenty of highlighters. So I think this is going to go into future giveaway. This might go into my spring giveaway. I'm gonna verify. I don't remember if I have any highlighters in there. If I don't, this might go into the spring giveaway, which, by the way, is going on until April 16th. So this is airing April 14th. So you guys have 2 more days to get into my giveaway. I will have it linked up above for you guys. Enter it. It's super fun, super awesome. The video that I'm basically showing everything that's in the giveaway doesn't include some items in my, the past several videos. There are other items that have been added to the giveaway, so it kind of grew as I went, but I am super excited for that. So definitely check that out if you have not already entered. If it is past April 16th, I'm sorry, it is now closed. However, I will have another giveaway coming up in the summer. So it would be around June. I'll have a summer giveaway as well. But yeah, so this will be going into the spring giveaway. All right, next up we have a Natasha Denona palette. I'm pretty impressed. BoxyCharm has been handing out Natasha Denona palettes pretty regularly, and they're generally a pretty pricey eyeshadow palette. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is in Jubilee. That's the palette name. So this is definitely more of a summer, fun eyeshadow palette. I don't have any Natasha Denona palettes like this one. So let's read about this one. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm. That's pretty cool. Featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations, from playful, colorful, modern looks to everyday wear with a pop of color, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. And this has an MSRP of $48. That's pretty cool that they teamed up with her specifically to create this palette. I am very interested in this blue shade and how this swatches. It looks really pretty. Ooh, that is very pretty. I think that is stunning. Look, it's like blindingly bright. That's gonna be a really fun summer color. I'm really excited about that one. All right, next up we have, ooh, I'm excited. I have the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. I am very excited for this. There was, this was like months and months ago. I saw a YouTuber trying this out and it looked perfect. And she had a little bit oilier of skin and she said it worked out for her. I'm really excited to try this out. I tend to have combinations, so there are parts of my skin that are a little drier, especially in winter, but in the summer I kind of lean a little bit more towards combination oily. So I'm interested to see how this will work. I'm so excited, I'm not even showing you guys anything. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty, and oh, that's super cool. Oh, and it smells so nice. This is what the primer looks like. It smells really good. I kind of want to test a little bit of it. Ooh, it's cold. Like cold. That's really cool. Literally and figuratively. Oh, it feels really nice. It smells amazing. It almost smells like Turkish Delight. It feels really nice on the skin. You're not really going to be able to see it, but it went on really nicely. It feels really nice and cold. Let me put this back on here and we will read about it. All right, so this is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This has an MSRP of $32. It feels so nice on my hand. Like, it is very cooling. I am excited to try this out. And not only that, I feel like this would be really nice in the summer, like if it's kind of warm, like putting this on before putting on makeup sounds amazing. So I'm really excited to try that out. All right, next, it looks like we have 2 more items in here. So the next thing we have is from Dragon Beauty. This is the Dragon Fire Color Corrector in lavender. I don't remember what my choice was. This may have been my choice. I'm not sure. Whoop. And I just dropped it. But let's read about this one. Dragonfire Color Corrector helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. MSRP of $25. I'm gonna open this up real quick and take a look. It just looks like a concealer with like a little bit of a lavender tint to it. Smells like a concealer as well. Alright, and last item here, we have the Terre de Mars Body Cleanser. Interesting. This is what that looks like. It looks pretty fancy. Let's read about this. The Terre de Mars 008 Radition Body Cleanser, an organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts in fusion with verbal oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. This has an MSRP of $22. Let's see what this smells like. It smells very clean, very natural, very herbal. Alright. Well, I mean, it is just a body wash. I'm as excited as you can be about a body wash, so looking forward to at least trying that out. All right, that is it for the base box. I would say the thing I was most excited about was the Touch and Soul primer. Yeah, I would say this is probably the thing I was most excited for. I also like the Natasha Denona palette. I think it's a really pretty summer palette. Everything else was okay. nothing super exciting, nothing like super bad or anything like that. I am excited to add this to the giveaway, but now we're gonna clean this up and jump right into the premium box. All right, let's take a look in here. So the first thing is, of course, the card, same sweet treats thing, and right on top is something very interesting. This is the Feeling Vibrations Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. So it's like crystals in gloss, lip gloss. Interesting, very interesting. I don't know if I picked this. I don't remember what my choice was. Okay, let's see what it says. Where are you at? The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties, this has an MSRP of $24. Okay. That's very interesting. I don't know if I picked this. Like, I don't remember what my pick was. If I did pick this, I don't know what I was thinking, but interesting. Very interesting. All right, next up we have, is this another Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette? It's another Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I don't think I need this many Natasha Denona palettes, but it is another one. This is the Natasha Denona Coral palette. I kind of wish I saw this before I tested out the other one. This is stunning. This is gorgeous. Wow. This 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create vibrant, ultra pigmented, long-lasting looks. MSRP of $48. I was not expecting to get 2 Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes, but naturally we have to test out at least one of these. This purple color is calling my name. It's just a very light lavender, like icy lavender color. That's what it looks like swatched. Very pretty, very shimmery. Yeah, I definitely was not thinking I would get 2 of these. If I had known that, I probably would have kept this one and added this one to giveaway, but I still do like them both, so I guess I'm keeping them both. But let's move on to the next item. So the next thing in here is the Dose of Colors eyeliner. Does it say it has a built-in sharpener, and this is in the shade Dark Roast. It got a little squished, but it's like a dark brown eyeliner. And I have had a couple of Dose of Colors items that are eyeshadows. I think I got a lip liner last month. Let's see. Oh, the packaging looks pretty cool. That's what the packaging looks like. Looks like a pencil, and it is a pencil. And I don't have a lot. I have a few browns, but I don't really have this dark of a brown, and that's a really nice brown. It's like super dark chocolate. I really like that. All right. Oh, I should read about it. Dose of Colors. Let's see. This long-wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener included, MSRP of $15, and yeah, it is super buttery. I mean, it went on really nicely. All right, next up we have 3 more items. We have 3 more things in here. So the next item we have is from Wander Beauty. This is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. This is what the packaging looks like. I think I remember seeing this on like their Instagram site, and it looked very interesting. The packaging of it did. Let's open this up and see. Yeah, the packaging is really pretty. And it, like you would pump down here. So this says Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture. Squalane and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. This has an MSRP of $68. I'm excited to try this out. It looks really cool. The packaging is super awesome. All right, we have 2 more items here. The Murad Hydrating Toner. That is what this looks like. And this says an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin, and MSRP of $35. I've heard of Murad. I don't think I've used a lot of their stuff, but I've heard good things. I'm not super excited about skincare because I have so much of it, but I mean, I don't have that many toners, so this can be added to my skincare collection. All right, the last item, I'm pretty sure this was my choice. Maybe, I don't remember, but it made sense if it is because I was really excited when I saw this. It is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths the way for a better foundation application and longer wear with an instant retouch effect. MSRP of $32. Now, I am super excited about this because last month, I think it was last month, I got the Fenty Beauty foundation from BoxyCharm. I have used it since then, and it's a decent foundation. It's definitely lighter coverage in my opinion, and I did end up getting a little bit oily pretty soon after applying it. Now, it could have been the primer I used, so I'm actually really excited to try it out with this primer to see if it works out better for me. But let's take a look at what it looks like. Looks fantastic. So I'm gonna just pump this out. I want to see maybe what it feels like, what it smells like. It's nice and light. Doesn't have really any scent to it, but it feels nice and moisturizing on the skin. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this out with the actual foundation. That is it for my April BoxyCharm. I would say for the most part, it was a pretty successful month. There were a couple items that I was in particular very excited for. The Coral Natasha Denona palette, I really like that. The Touch and Soul primer. I am actually excited to try this one out. I kind of have a lot of skincare, and so when I get more skincare, I'm just like not as excited. But at the end of the day, it will get used, whether it's by me or by my mom or friends or by you guys if you win, if you know I put it in a giveaway and somebody out there wins it. So it's not like the end of the world when I get skincare. It's just not as exciting to me. But that one I am pretty excited about. The least exciting one that just kind of has me wondering what is the Crystal Lip Gloss. Just very interesting. Not quite sure what's up with that one. But yeah, so that was it for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so. And until next time, guys, bye!